Most SKR trades never close, not because the money isn't there, not because the asset isn't real. They collapse because the structure is flawed. Let me give you the truth from a lifetime in this industry. An SKR issued without enforceable jurisdiction? It's theater. No court will touch it. Escrow managed by an unlicensed provider? That's not protection. It's just another counterparty. And delivery upon documents written vaguely into a contract? That single line has destroyed more trades than fraud ever did. Professionals don't gamble on structure. They engineer it. The desks that survive decade after decade all use a step-by-step SKR blueprint, a flow so precise it eliminates loopholes before they appear. Here's what we've put inside the Gated Insider video at TradeSKR.com. The full sequencing insiders follow, from letter of intent to final settlement. Model governing law, clauses that actually hold up in London, Zurich, Delaware, and Singapore, and licensed escrow structures with dual conditional instructions that regulators accept. Delivery definition frameworks that lock title transfer to specific bank-verified events. Compliance checklists, KYC, AML, and tax docs, the exact way institutions keep deals bankable. And the hidden risk mitigations, insurance riders, standby letters of credit, and protective clauses that amateurs don't even know exist. This isn't theory. These are the working tools that top desks use daily. So if you've ever wondered why some traders build careers while others burn out, the answer is in the structure. And the complete SKR deal flow blueprint is waiting for you now inside the gated video at TradeSKR.com/videos. Don't trade blind. Trade like an insider.